In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to show or display extensions on the Chromebook web browser's toolbar. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what you have to do is open up the browser and select the three-dotted menu icon up to the top right. Select Extensions, and then select Manage Extensions. If you want to show it on your toolbar, select Details, and then where it says Pin to Toolbar, toggle to the right to enable that, and then it should appear up here at the top. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.